guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is October 5th. It's National Do Something Nice Day, so we're gonna do something nice. Let's go. Do Something Nice Day, I thought these cute little pink rainbow socks would be so perfect. Let me show you what they do. So here are the socks right here, and then you take them, flip them down, Magic AF. So I love that, and it shows on the outer edge of your legs. Like this one would be wearing on your right foot, so this one would be on the outer part. And this one for your left. So they're so stinking cute. I love wearing these. They're so comfortable. I always get so many compliments on them. I just can't even look. Look at the detailing on and the unicorns are even wearing sunglasses. It's perfect. So throughout this video, my nice deed is that I'm taking sticky notes and writing sweet, nice little pick-me-up notes and putting them on people's cars. I've never done something like that before, but I mean, if I got one, I think it'd be really thoughtful and it'd probably make my day. So, let's go. Go to sockscity.com and find the perfect pair of socks for you. There's so many options to pick from. You're guaranteed to find socks that you just love. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please comment down below. Did you do something nice today, or are you doing something nice tomorrow? Just let me know and tell me what it was. And please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video. Bye!